Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to become rich in 2023. I know this is a topic that many of you are interested in, so let's get started. Tip 1: Invest in the right stocks. One of the best ways to become rich is by investing in the stock market. However, it's important to do your research and invest in the right stocks. Look for companies that have a strong track record and are poised for growth in the coming years. Also, make sure you diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Tip 2: Start a side hustle. Another way to become rich is by starting a side hustle. Whether it's starting your own business or freelancing, there are many opportunities to earn extra income. Just make sure to choose something that you're passionate about and that has the potential to generate a good income. Tip 3: Live below your means. Living below your means is essential if you want to become rich. This means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. Look for ways to cut back on expenses and live a more frugal lifestyle. This may mean downsizing your home or car, cooking at home instead of eating out, and shopping for deals and discounts. Tip 4: Educate yourself. To become rich, you need to have the right knowledge and skills. Take courses, read books, and attend seminars to learn about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Tip 5: Network with successful people. Networking with successful people can open doors and provide valuable opportunities. Attend conferences, join industry groups, and seek out mentors who can offer guidance and advice. Learn from their experiences and take advantage of the connections they can provide. So there you have it, guys. These are just a few tips on how to become rich in 2023. Remember, becoming rich takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.